The incredible 12-hour journey of a Boeing 787 Dreamliner, flying all the way from New York to Bahrain. Real landing video of this same plane touching down in Bahrain. The Dreamliner climbs through the clouds, reaching a staggering altitude of 41,000 feet. Cruising smoothly at 1,050 kilometers per hour, it soars over the Atlantic Ocean, gliding through European skies and crossing into the Middle East. For 12 non-stop hours, this flying marvel carries passengers across continents, from the dazzling skyline of New York to the glowing sands of Arabia. Watch this majestic aircraft land gracefully after one of the world's most stunning long-haul flights. This is aviation perfection. The Boeing 787 Dreamliner.